This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you're signed into an admin account and your USB device is connected. This avoids permission errors. Once done, open Settings, go to System then Sound, and locate Input/Output device menus so you can see the connected USB name. Make sure the device appears in Quick Settings Speaker/menu. If it's absent, unplug and replug or try another port. This initial verification prevents wasted steps and lets you proceed directly to changing which sound event uses that USB device. Next, navigate to More Sound Settings and open the Sounds tab. This is where Windows maps audio files to events. You'll find Program Events, select Device Connect or Device Disconnect, and use the drop-down Browse button to assign a WAV file stored on your PC. You can preview with test to confirm loudness and timing. Make sure it's short and not clipped. If you want the sound to play through the USB device, set that device as Default Communication Device or Default Device before testing so output routes correctly. Now apply and save your changes by clicking Apply then OK so the new sound mapping takes effect immediately. To ensure the USB plays the sound, set it as Default Device or Default Communication Device in the same sound settings and then test again. If you don't hear the sound, restart the Windows Audio Service, update or reinstall the USB/audio driver, and try a different USB port. One quick fix is to reboot after driver changes. This troubleshooting step resolves most issues without deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.